How to delete a Telegram account. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Now, scroll down to the end and go to the Automatically Delete My Account section. Then, tap on If Away For. Over here, you can select the duration. If you do not come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted along with all the messages and contacts. If you want to delete the account right away instead, then select Delete Account Now. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete My Account. Tap on Continue twice. Now, enter your phone number here and tap on Continue to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily delete a Telegram account.